It smells like waffle cones in here.
Okay, good.
Look how he's like shooting it all out of the pipe right there. Ah, so remember how in the other place that we saw, they like ground them all up and then they put that on top and then what do? And then they squeeze it, they apply all that pressure and then what comes out? Oh, the juice. Look right here. They put this out here. Look, do you want to feel it?
What is it?
It's the apples when they put it, when they mush it all up and they squeeze all the juice out of it. Is it spongy?
Yeah.
It's just all the
cold.
The fiber parts left.
It's so cold and gross. Yep, they're pull it out.
There you go. That's good.
It's good. It's good.
Is it better than the other place? Or is it like the same?
Kind of like the same for me, but yeah. I would get the other a 99 and this one a 98.
Okay, all right.
Pretty close.
Okay, come on, children. What did he do? He looked up to you? Because you would ride a goat?
Yeah.
you recording?
Heck yeah, I'm recording. Getting every moment of this. What you got there? Good toast? You got bath time toast? Help your brother, Caleb. Go slow and be smart. Help your brother. Hold on to him. Hold on to him. Did you hurt your tummy? Let me see.
Which that was from the tree, so.
Oh man, you got beat up over that tree.
And that was from the tree. I have this one.
Okay, well let's go. Yeah. You got nature all over you today. Go slow. See how the rocks are wet? You need to go slow. Walk on the dry places. Okay, come on. Let's go check it out.
Hello, my mommy. Ow.
No.
Alisa!
Rock. Oh, maybe it is wood.
I don't know.
No, it looks like wood.
Why would you
I don't know. And this is why we brought our winter coats.
What is this?
That's a baby crab.
Put it in a row.
And a crab.
Wait, there. Let's try to find this one.
Okay, let's go. See any gold? must have been pirates.
We need to go over there.
Okay, go around.
We made it to Cape Elizabeth. The Atlantic Ocean is behind us. We made it from coast to coast. Isn't that cool?
I'm following.
Oh, and we're following a treasure map because that's what we do. Oh, you see that like white basket over there? So it's connected to all these pulleys right here.